Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell, levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,879, the high ground ridgeline. A breach here is a clear call for a bull stampede. Value area, low, VAL, 6874, the low saloon door, a break below, is a signal for the outlaws, sellers, to take the town. Point of control, POC, 6877, the watering hole where the most contracts rested their horses. Support zone, 6,862 to 6,874, where the sheriffs, buyers, are setting up their defense. Resistance zone, 6,879 to 6,886, a fortified bank vault, hard to break without a major blast of buying. Single prints escape paths, the lonely trails. Lower, 6,867 to 6,869, a canyon path. If price is driven here, it could be a sharp reversal, responsive buying, or a fast fall through, momentum short. Upper, 6,884 to 6,886, a mountain pass. Acceptance above this zone signals a clear run to new territory. Don't stand in the way. Market context. The market's a dusty old town that's seen its share of gunfights. Over the last 3 days, value has shifted slightly higher, from 6,858 to 6,874, suggesting the bulls have been steadily gaining ground, moving the town limits north. 3-day posse marched through the prairie. November 3rd, POC 6863, VAL 6858, VAH 6869, a balanced profile with bearish close, negative 798 delta. November 4th, POC 6865, VAL 6861, VAH 6870, value shuffled up, a slightly bullish tilt with a positive 750 delta. Today, POC 6877, VAL 6874, VAH 6879, a very tight value area showing intense balancing and congestion, a true showdown. Overall, we see a transition from bearish sentiment, day -2, to a consolidating balance, today at a higher level. The tight range on the current day suggests that both sides are holstered and waiting for a catalyst to fire the opening shot. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD, 229 contracts. The day started with a small group of buying pioneers. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to 7,052, a major gold rush moment for the bulls. Current C5D, negative 338, a net negative 567 from open, meaning the sellers, or rustlers, won the late day battle, driving the delta into negative territory. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 338, which is the current CVD. Interpretation. The initial buying power was strong, pushing the delta to over 7,000. However, the last few hours saw aggressive selling pressure, not only neutralizing the early buy delta, but pushing it to the session CVD low, negative 338. The market is closing with a sell-side bias, indicating that the last man standing was an outlaw. Risk management considerations. Long trades, joining the sheriffs. Entry zone, near VAL 6874, or a bounce off the lower escape zone, 6867 to 6869. Stop loss, below 6,867, lower escape low, or approximately 5 points beneath the entry. Profit target, initial target at POC 6,877, major target at VAH 6,879, and then the upper escape zone, 6,884 to 6,886. Short trades, riding with the outlaws. Entry zone, on rejection of VAH, 6,879, or a break below VAL, 6,874. Stop loss, above 6,884, upper escape low, or approximately 5 points above the entry. Profit target, POC, 6,877, for first partial, then VAL, 6,874, followed by the support zone, 6,862. Position sizing, use a maximum 2% account risk per idea. Always set your stop loss before your target. Never ride a runaway stagecoach. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, breakout. North, the gold rush. Price accepts trade above VAH, 6,879, and takes out the high resistance zone. Setup, enter long above 6,880, stop at 6,875, below POC. Target 6,886 to 6,890 on momentum continuation. The bull posse has broken free. Scenario B, breakdown south, the ambush. Price fails to hold VAL, 6,874, and breaks below the lower escape zone. Setup, shorter break below 6,867, stop above 6,872 just below POC. Target 6,860 to 6,855. The outlaws have set their trap. Scenario C, value area chop, the standoff. Price remains tightly bound between VAL, 6,874, and VAH, 6,879. Unable to gain acceptance in either direction. Setup, scalp inside the range, selling VAH and buying VAL with tight stops on either side. Trade like a cautious prospector, picking small nuggets. Scenario D, sustained rally after sell-off. Price respects the low support zone, and the EMA, 6,878, flips to support. Setup, long at 6,869, lower escape high. Stop at 6,865, below the recent low swing. Target POC and VAH. A quick rally to restore order in the town. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.